The indefinite blockade being imposed by Mayai Lambi upon Balup along Mayai Lambi Road has affected normal life along the National Highway 137A. Notably, the loop called the indefinite blockade in protest against the government's failure to repair the road despite repeated assurance. During the blockade, shops and other business establishments along the National Highway section remained shut. Commuters faced immense disruptions as locals blocked several locations with sandbags, boulders and sit-ins, forcing many to turn back or find alternate routes. However, essential services, press and religious functions are exempt from the purview of the blockade. Speaking on the sidelines, Bandh supporters aid the inconveniences faced by the locals and commuters due to the government's failure to repair the dilapidated road section. They asserted that the road section has become prone to accidents and posed serious health threats to the locals and commuters due to the release of large amount of dust. The protesters added that they will not lift the blockade unless the demand is met.
Bansi Lambi exam drug tawani Lambi sem na koi sem na ban bok chatha jagani akoi kai no haibada tasina Lambi si seme adu akoi ban tawra matung Lambi no sem matung no alaga tokiba aduna balek tong Lambi sem ban tawdra Lambi sem do gi pio ma lapa maramna akoi ban ton na Lambi sem gi pio da akoi masi chatha jari balasi akoi makha ta chatha jagani ni si
Lambi si chapa yadana yamna nuai taw mayam di lebedagi koi hana press no ro thwe kan khong yung changel ni haidana tang kuni thoi November gi tang kuni thoi 2025 sida koi akan khong yung changel pani aduna hoji ai koi mai bel sing maya bai bi mai ban sing kalap ki koi gi thongjau thawal lep awang le kai gi thongjau kai macha gi sidida ai koi ban tawri aduna koi mayam apun balu gi ji mayam ma yawaga koi ban tawri aduna ban si ai koi Lambi sembi je bokti ai koi temptana koi ban di tawgani ana koi mayam warem na